I'm having a great time. Every year, it's always a great party.
This is probably one of the funnest pre-parties I've ever been at. We've done a few events, but I would like to be on the list here all the time. Truthfully, the people that I've met are definitely some of the most down-to-earth, wholesome people that I definitely would like to do business with now and in the future.
I think this is the best party I've ever been to. David and I have been coming to opening day for the last 10 years, ever since Petco Park opened, but this is definitely the best opening day party we've ever been to. Even though it's April Fool's Day, I am not lying about that. It really is the best party ever. I think Scott and BR are the best. I'm so glad to have them back on the mighty 1090. I mean, the 1090 is the only radio station in San Diego that I listen to. When I listen to AM radio, that's all I listen to, is 1090.
KPRI, 1090, Walrus, ESPN. I don't think I'm missing a station, so there you go, all four. 4 for 4, baby, 4 for 4. I like Kelly Cole, Lights Out on KPRI. Oh no, there's no annoying people there. It's 100% non-annoyance. Hey, I want to get invited back next year, okay? Wait, I found the most annoying person. I got him. It's Rob Bickard. He's here.
Hey,
It's awesome.
let me tell you something. We may invite him back next year.
I scratch that. Edit it out.
Sherry is my favorite person at Radio San Diego. No doubt. I'm sure he made me say that. I'll take $5 now.